Every person on this planet has a right to breathe clean air, yet almost every person is having this right violated. 99% of the world's population breathes unsafe air, which is linked to over 8 million deaths each year. And that brings huge economic losses, drives climate change, worsens inequality, and damages childhood development. And that is why on this International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies, the UN is calling on the world to invest in clean air now. We are asking nations and regions and cities to establish robust air quality standards. We are asking them to back renewable energy and sustainable transport, to hold industry to account with strict emission standards, and to integrate air quality into climate action. And we are asking for strong funding through redirecting fossil fuel subsidies, through grants or microloans for cleaner cooking technologies, and through serious private sector engagement and investment. And we are asking for collective action from everyone, from international development initiatives to individuals who can together make a change in their own lifestyle. Clean air is a human right, one that is fundamental to our health and to our prosperity. On this International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies, I urge everyone to ensure that this right is fulfilled.